Hi, welcome to VTechs. In this video we will talk in simple cool Instagram trick. It's useful, moreover you can try something different on one of largest social media platform. Don't wasting your time. Let's get into the video. To use this cool trick, first open Instagram and try add a story. Then, you can add some interesting fonts to it. It's a secret fonts. First one, search Rock ABC. Now you can see one of interesting font here. You can use this font to get fire effect on your words. Next one, Bijajika. It's another beautiful effect. Pretty cool, isn't it? Next one, Jifabet. It gives your font snake and other cool effects, elephant, cats, dogs, etc. Fire Alphabet is a real fire, it gives fire effect to your text. You can use those to write words and names. Final one in the list, Cool Milk Letter. It gives milk effect to your text. That's it. I hope this short video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.